All right guys, so we're at the Audi Pre-Meet. I'm gonna throw on the brand new Can Auto Performance Carbon High Kick rear trunk spoiler. It's the first one that they've made. They sent us the first one to do some test fit. So I've got some isopropyl alcohol. I'm gonna clean down the trunk really well, make sure it's good to adhere, and show you guys how I get this thing lined up and even with the trunk, and we'll see how it fits. Okay, so the first step is to get the actual spoiler fitted on here and make sure it's nice and even. And you could see there that that's what I was doing. I just checking both sides, making sure it was good on each side. And then you want to put a piece of tape right in the middle to hold it. And that's what's going to allow you to get your 3M tape underneath, because we can take this, we can flip it over, we can put the 3M tape underneath it, and then flip it back down and get it stuck. So that's what we're going to do next. Okay, so the kit came with a good roll of the really good 3M adhesive, and this stuff is super, super sticky. So we rolled 2 lines of it down, and then we pressed it in with our thumb all the way around to make sure it was good and adhered to the actual spoiler. Make sure there's no lifted spots, anything like that. This stuff is super, super sticky, and we got it cut out there. So the next step is literally to peel off the protective tape back and set it onto the trunk and hope that we get it in one time without getting it off center. So that's what we're gonna do next. All right, so we just got the spoiler put on there. It is a perfect fitment. There is nothing wrong. I mean, it was perfect. It's the first time I've ever done a trunk spoiler install, and I just did it with whatever way kind of made sense to me. So I ended up using 3 pieces of tape to kind of keep it in place when we flipped it back over. Getting that 3M tape on there, it's hot outside, and it really made it difficult getting the backing off it. We had to use a razor blade to kind of peel it off a little bit, but eventually got it. And then we pressed it down, we got it on here, all cleaned up. It's perfect fitment. The guys at Can Auto did a great job with this one. I think it looks fantastic. Super, super happy. I'm really, really stoked with this because I've wanted a mild, like high kick style duckwing spoiler for a while. The carbon looks awesome. It's just a great compliment to this car. So I like it. Got my rear window spoiler up there too. So shout out to the guys who are at Can Auto Performance. Can't wait to see these on the market and be available for everybody else in the C7 community to buy. If you guys have any questions about it, let me know, and we'll see you on the next video.